Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is March 15, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am doing well, thank you.
I need a lot of coffee today. I am very tired.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I only slept for 5 hours.
That is not enough sleep, David.
I know. I was watching one movie on TV.
You need to go to bed early.
You sound like my doctor.
I just want you to be healthy.
Thank you. Is the coffee ready?
Yes, it is ready. Here is your cup.
This coffee smells very good.
It is one new brand. I bought it yesterday.
I really like it. It wakes me up fast.
That is good. We have one long day ahead of us.
My first meeting is at 9 o'clock.
You have 20 minutes to prepare.
That is enough time. I'm ready.
Did you read the news this morning?
Yes. I read the New York Times on my phone.
Did you see the article about the new global tax?
Yes, I saw it. It is very big news.
You mean the 15% minimum tax for tech giants?
Exactly. Global leaders finally agreed on it.
What do you think about it?
I think it is one good idea for public revenue.
Why do you say that, David?
Big tech companies make a lot of money.
But they usually pay very little tax.
That is true. They use international loopholes.
Now they have to pay at least 15% everywhere?
That is a lot of money for governments.
Yes. They can use the money for schools and hospitals.
I understand that. But the tech companies are angry.
They say it will hurt their business growth.
Our company uses a lot of tech services.
Exactly. Maybe our software costs will go up.
Our boss is not going to be happy about that.
No, he is very worried about the company budget.
Maybe we need to sell more products to pay for it.
Or maybe the tech companies will just accept the tax.
We will see what happens next year.
Politics and money always make things complicated.
That is very true. Everything is changing very fast.
Speaking of changes, did you see the Washington Post?
The article about the new technology in Japan.
Yes, the pilot program for primary schools.
You mean the 50 AI robots?
Yes, they are using 50 AI robots to teach children.
I think that is one very crazy idea.
I agree with you. It is very controversial.
Why are they using robots in schools?
Because they have one big teacher shortage in Japan.
They do not have enough human teachers.
Exactly. So the robots are helping in the classrooms.
I do not want one robot teaching my children.
It feels very cold and strange.
How does one robot understand one sad child?
It cannot. It only teaches math and science.
Children need human connection to learn.
I completely agree. One robot cannot smile or give one hug.
The article says parents are very worried.
I understand why. It is one big experiment.
But maybe the robots are very smart.
They know a lot of facts, but they are not human.
I hope our schools never use AI robots.
I prefer traditional teachers for young students.
Good. Trust is very important in education.
Yes, technology should help teachers, not replace them.
I prefer my old teachers with chalk and one blackboard.
We cannot stop progress, David.
I know, but some progress is just bad for us.
We need strong rules for AI in schools.
I completely agree with you, Alex.
Did you read any good news today?
I read the Boston Globe this morning.
Was there anything interesting in the culture section?
Yes, one article about one museum in London.
Oh, I love history. What happened there?
They unveiled one rare collection of ancient coins.
That sounds very interesting. How many coins?
There are 2,000 ancient coins in the collection.
2,000 coins? That is one massive discovery.
Yes, and the story of the discovery is amazing.
Where did they find all these coins?
One person found them in one residential garden.
In one normal garden behind one house?
Yes, one man was planting flowers and found them.
That is incredible. He is very lucky.
The coins are thousands of years old.
I want to go to London and see them.
The museum says it is their best exhibit this year.
I love looking at real historical objects.
Me too. I want to see the real thing.
One picture in one book is not the same.
The museum expects a lot of visitors this month.
I think they will sell a lot of tickets.
People love stories about hidden treasure.
I understand why. It is very exciting.
I am going to check my garden this weekend.
You do not have one garden, David. You live in one apartment.
That is true. I will check my balcony instead.
Maybe you will find one old coffee cup.
You always make jokes about my coffee.
Coffee is very important for your sales meetings.
Exactly. Real coffee is my hidden treasure.
What are you working on today?
I have to finish my sales reports.
Is the deadline today?
Yes, the deadline is at 5 o'clock.
You need to start working right now.
I know. I have 3 big meetings too.
You are always very busy.
One sales rep needs to be busy.
That is very true. I'm glad you sell our products.
Thank you, Alex. What about you?
I have to finish the new project plan.
You are always very organized.
One project manager needs to be organized.
Well, my coffee cup is empty now.
Are you ready for your first meeting?
Yes, I am ready to work.
Good luck with your 3 meetings today.
Thank you, Alex. Have one good day.
See you later, David. I am very busy today too.
Do not work too hard.
I will try. See you at lunch.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.